x equal to a cos omega t. Let me take help of the displacement of Planck is given by a cos omega t. Omega is 10. So what is the acceleration of Planck will be? Acceleration of Planck will be minus a omega square. What is the maximum acceleration? The maximum acceleration is this part. He is asking what is that maximum amplitude? So that maximum amplitude, I'll put it here. Then here we have let it be radius. So how the friction will act on this one towards right. This will make it to this is a solid cylinder. This is a cylinder. This is a Planck. Let's get into the calculation part. For first, we'll write the equations of motion on the cylinder. F is equal to m into a1. F into r is equal to mr square by 2 into alpha 1. I'll substitute F equal to here. So ma1 equal to mr alpha 1 by 2. So therefore a1 equal to r alpha 1 by 2. Condition for no slipping, acceleration of this point for no slipping, acceleration of point P1 should be equal to P2. Acceleration of point P1, A1 plus R alpha 1. This is AP2. AP2, AP I'll write it, acceleration of Planck. So this will be, I think, R alpha 1 equal to A1. So altogether this will become problem not yet over. This I will take help of this equation. If I substitute that, okay, let's begin here. So as I keep on increase amplitude, the acceleration will also increase. Let me introduce A max. So as I increase the amplitude, maximum acceleration will also increase. The acceleration of Planck will also increase. So what is the maximum permitted value of this rolling friction? Equal to limiting friction. So which is mu mg equal to what is the maximum permitted value of AP? Omega square A max. I'll let me write. This will be justified. What is the maximum permitted value of acceleration of point Planck equal to A max, and that is given by this one. So if I write one more step, mu g equal to A max will be omega square A max by 3. So A max equal to 3 mu g by omega square. Centimeter, 9 centimeter.
Sir, 9 centimeter.
9 centimeter. The Planck will move horizontally here. This is something very important. You have to start your discussion from there. The plank will oscillate like this. We are discussing the motion of cylinder here. I think if you have a situation where the block is placed, this will oscillate horizontally. Then what is the maximum acceleration? In that case, it'll be quite easier. And the same thing, instead of spear, if there's a block is there, how you are what you'll do? In this case, and this is rough. Tell me
Directly
what.
we can do.
What is the maximum permitted friction? M into E. I'll write it here top. F equal to M as it accelerates. So let's put acceleration of Planck like this. Then the friction here for no slipping, F should be equal to ME. Then when this will become FL, this will become A max. Got the idea? The difference between their rolling object and a block is placed. In matchings, they may trouble you. Try to understand the basic concept. So the plank is just, it's like a platform.